Talk about giving a moose a muffin. You guys just can't seem to get enough of these workouts, so here you go. This is a kettlebell swing contrast sequence. It's a really good kettlebell swing workout. I love this pairing. Very simple. Get two kettlebells, one heavy-ish, one light-ish, whatever that means to you. Perform 5 start-stop swings at the heavy-ish bell, then immediately perform 15 standard two-hand swings at the lighter bell. Obviously, that's going to feel pretty light after doing the harder swing variation on the heavier bell. And then hit a 20 to 30 second plank in between rounds. So the goal here is to cycle through this sequence as many times as possible with little to no rest between rounds for about 10 to 15 minutes. I feel that's a pretty good sweet spot for this type of workout. You will accumulate a lot of high quality swing volume, and your heart rate will be through the roof, and you'll burn a ton of calories, and you'll build kettle booty, and all those magical benefits will be conferred upon you. Plus, this is just a good way to practice swings, and it's always good to practice the basic techniques. I also really love start-stop swings, so if you're not familiar, the start-stop swing is the one I'm doing at the heavier kettlebell, where you park the kettlebell between every rep. This allows you to really practice a strong hike pass, make sure that that you're starting and swinging. I can't talk. Just my face is all over the place, and my mouth and my tongue. What I'm trying to say is that you're starting and stopping every swing with good technique. So watch this here. I'm going to flex the pecs, then we're going to hike it, park it, hike it, snap it, park it, hike it, swing it, park it. This is really important because if there's little point in doing a bunch of good swings and then throwing your back out because you either didn't start your swing well or you didn't finish your swing well. So how you begin and how you finish your techniques, it matters. It matters not just for safety, but also performance. A strong setup often means a strong execution throughout the lift. So start-stop swings are good for that. They also just really hammer the quads a bit more. So yeah, I'm a big fan of that exercise, and I think you will be too once you try this routine. So like I said, just put it on repeat, 10 to 15 minutes, and enjoy the challenge, my friends. We'll catch you next time.